So you want to make $3,000 extra a month without doing any work. I mean, that's why you clicked on this video, right? Well, I'm going to give you 3 great passive income businesses that you can start in 2022 so you can make a couple extra $1,000 a month on top of your normal income. My name is Sergio. Me and Johnny actually have a portfolio of companies doing over 7 figures a year, and we also have the Home Service Academy where we help people do the same with their home service business. Now let's be completely honest. If I had the ability to just snap my finger and make a couple $1,000s out of thin air, you know, everybody would be rich, but that's not the case. When it comes to building a passive income stream for yourself, there's work that needs to be put in initially to be able to set that foundation so that business can grow and make money on the side without you having to put much effort into it afterwards. Now the first business I want to get into is the remote home service business. If you don't know what that is, we actually have a few businesses on this model. So we were able to start this business with less than $1,000, and after a few weeks of putting in the work to get it started, build the foundation, you know, get the cleaners in place and set up the software to be able to automate a lot of processes in the business, then we were able to put in an admin person, which you can either do yourself, or if you want to have it more passive, then you can hire a virtual assistant. Now obviously you need to be making profit to be able to put towards that at first. So what we see a lot of people do, and also in our program, because they have 9 to 5s, is they get the business started and then they're making money. They start making money, and then a few months down the line, when they have the cash flow and the profit to be able to invest into a virtual assistant, they can plug that person in so they can handle all the fulfillment, the scheduling, all the leads that come in, and all you really have to do is check in with that virtual assistant on a day-to-day basis, make sure everything's running smoothly, and more of the high-level tasks that need to be done in order to grow the business, but not really on the day-to-day tasks. Now if you want to learn more about how to do that business specifically, we have a ton of videos on this page, so feel free to go check out some of those videos. But on to the next point, I'm going to be talking about being a certified product reseller. So we also have a business where we sell Yelp's advertising for them. So it's almost like we're an outsourced salesperson for Yelp. And the way that this business model works is if someone on our platform is advertising, say $1,000 on Yelp, then Yelp will actually bill us 80 to 90% of that. So that cut that they are not billing us, which they consider as a discount, is actually the cut that we would get as a salesperson for Yelp. So that's how we make our money. When people advertise on the platform, then we're able to basically get a small cut of that to be able to run the business. Now, you probably haven't heard of this business model, and that's because it's really under the radar. Not only Yelp is doing this, but tons of huge software companies and advertising platforms, businesses like this that basically want more business to come in but don't have enough salespeople to fulfill the demand. So Yelp is just one example of this, but once you get the business going, once people are advertising on your platform, it's really just rinse and repeat. There's not much to it besides billing them and a little bit of customer support here and there. So this is a great passive income business that you could start today with very minimal cash. Now number 3, online courses that you could be selling on platforms such as Udemy or Skillshare. So do you have a skill that you believe that you can turn into a course and other people can benefit by taking the course? I'm sure you do. You probably can't think of one off the top of your head, but you'd be surprised by how many courses there is for how many different things. It's so niche that you can teach people how to train their dog. You can teach moms how to train their kids to be less picky eaters. There is literally a course on anything that you can think of. So can you record a few videos, put them together, and create a course on one of these platforms? 100%. Once the course is done and you put it on the platform, at that point it's passive income because people can buy your course over and over again without you having to put in extra work. You will need to build out some type of marketing funnel to be able to drive people to your course, because people can find you on those platforms, but it wouldn't hurt to have additional sources of marketing that people are funneling into your course so then they can find it and buy your product. So those are my 3 passive income businesses that you can start today in 2022 and make a couple $1,000s a month on top of your current income. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.